Welcome back. Now it's time for our special discussion of the developments of Deal Street during the month of November. A report from data compiler Grant Thornton shows that deal activity actually slowed down in India during the month. Raja Lahiri, partner transaction advisory services at Grant Thornton, now joining us to discuss the report. Raja, just going through the headlines, and it seems on a YTD basis, deals have come down more than 20% in 2013. Why is that?
Yeah, I mean, clearly deals have taken a knock. A number of deals have come down. Again, clearly in line with what we've seen in the slowdown in the economic growth. So I think it's just a mirror image of that. But if one looks a little closely, I think two things which are embedded in those numbers. I think one is overall M&A has come down, a number of deals wise. But if you take the M&A excluding the internal restructuring, you've actually seen a growth in the M&A, and that's obviously because of some large deals that have got struck in this year.
Right, talking about large deals, which stood out as the deal of the month according to you?
See, deal of the month, clearly November has seen total deals of around $2 billion, which is very similar levels as in the last couple of months. The interesting deal this month was Lodha, the Lodha Group, the real estate group, which bought a pretty large real estate property, a corporate office property in London of close to $500 million. So that was a pretty interesting real estate deal that happened. The second one, the private equity, I think we are seeing a good action in the pharmaceutical space. KKR Private Equity taking a stake in Gland Pharma in the formulations and the API space, close to 35% stake, more than $100 million. These were the two large deals. The other trend that we are seeing is in the IT payment space. Hitachi of Japan acquired Prism Payments. That's, I think, a story revolving around the financial services in the payment sector. And the fourth trend, I would say, is on the internet space. Zomato got funding from Sequoia Capital. So the internet sector continues to be a good sector from a funding perspective.
Right, so pharma looking healthy. Both M&A and P activity in November 2013 largely driven by the pharma space. Raja, thanks so much for joining us to tell us how Deal Street fared for the month of November. Well, with that, we're closing Reporter's Diary for now, but stay tuned. Markets Today, straight ahead.